Hey everyone, and welcome back to our deep dive into the magical world of Winx Club. Today, we're unpacking Season 1, Episode 5, an episode that seriously ramps up the danger and introduces some major villains. So grab your popcorn, because this one is a real roller coaster. The episode kicks off with a touch of romance, or so it seems. Midi, our ever so stylish fairy of music, gets a date invitation from a mysterious boy. How exciting, right? Everyone is buzzing about it, helping her get ready. But this romantic evening takes a dark turn. That night, Midi goes to meet her date and then vanishes, just like that, without a trace. The next morning, her friends are frantic. There's no sign of her, no note, nothing. The panic is real, and the Alfea school is on high alert. Our favorite fairy friends, the Winx Club, aren't just going to sit around and wait. They immediately spring into action, launching their own investigation. They head to the exact spot where Midi was last seen, and it's there that Tecna makes a crucial discovery. Her gadgets pick up a strange, dark energy lingering in the air. It's not a familiar magic. It's something sinister. This is their first real clue, a breadcrumb trail leading them away from the safety of Alfea and into the unknown. The energy trail leads the Winx to a creepy, old, abandoned house on the outskirts of Magic's. You know the type. The kind of place you'd never want to go into alone. But for their friend, they brave the darkness. Inside, the atmosphere is heavy and foreboding. And then, they find them. 3 figures cloaked in shadows, radiating a powerful, malevolent aura. These are the Trix, Icy, Darcy, and Stormy, a trio of senior witches from the neighboring Cloud Tower school. And they have Midi. It turns out the mysterious date was just a cruel trap set by Darcy. The Trix don't care about romance. They're after something Midi has, her powerful magic ring. A fierce battle erupts. The Winx put up a valiant fight, combining their powers in a desperate attempt to save their friend. Bloom unleashes her fire, Flora commands the plants, and Stella shines bright. But the Trix are on another level. Their dark magic is overwhelming, and one by one the Winx are defeated. They're simply outmatched in terms of raw power and experience. Beaten and cornered, the Winx are faced with an impossible choice. The Trix make their demand crystal clear. Hand over the magical staff of Alfea Academy, a powerful and symbolic artifact, or they'll never see Midi again. It's a devastating ultimatum, choosing between a priceless treasure of their school and the life of their friend. Reluctantly and with heavy hearts, they agree to the exchange. They have no other choice. With the deal struck, the Trix release Midi. But before they disappear, they reveal a piece of their master plan. They aren't just collecting powerful items for fun. They are on a quest to find the legendary Dragon Throne, the ultimate source of power that created the entire magic dimension. This single line of dialogue changes everything, setting the stage for the entire season's conflict. Midi is safe, but she's not okay. She's shaken, traumatized, and overwhelmed by a heavy sense of guilt. She feels responsible for falling into the trap and for forcing her friends to give up the Academy's staff. This episode leaves her, and the entire Winx Club, in a vulnerable position. They've tasted a bitter defeat, and now know a powerful and ruthless enemy is hunting for the greatest power in the universe. The stakes have never been higher. What a heavy episode. It's the first time we see the Winx truly lose a fight, and it establishes the Trix as a serious threat. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this intense showdown. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Winx Club breakdowns. See you next time. You.